Tonight, we see this nigga's a smoker, so we gonna go on here and try to see what's going on after the club. Freaky ass nigga. Now, you got three options. After the club, you want shower sex, balcony sex, or you just gonna sleep by yourself? Balcony. God damn it. That's worth a pack of slaps right there. You feel me? Off the back. Now, bonus question. You ever smashed a bitch because you bought some chicken wings that night?